Yes, CWD has finally broken out. We just covered it along with the other stocks that have been pumped, and it wasn't this high. The gain is now 2,000%. Intraday high $55.98. Yeah, I think it's the news has now finally reached everybody. The company, as of the 28th of August, it indicated that it was going to acquire Link tokens, and it seems it has indicated that it has now completed that or has done so. The company hasn't indicated how much it spent and how much it has acquired. You most certainly know that in recent weeks, several companies have been adopting alt digital asset token strategies with the aim of raising billions of dollars from investors with the hopes of turning a profit or profits. The strategy does create, or is, as you can evidently see, creates a buy side demand for crypto. However, some in the industry, digital asset industry, have voiced concerns about the trend. Okay, that's what's going on right now. The company has finally declared, even though that news hasn't filtered through, but we have been able to find out. Yeah, so it's given up some of the gains it has printed in this session. Let's see what we have here on. Let's see what we have here in terms of its in terms of how liquid this market is. Seems we are low on memory. We'll come back to that. One other place where we can look at is the 1 minute chart. Yeah, you can see what I mean. Yeah, you can see what I mean. It didn't. This is it's just been printing high prices. I think we may have covered it just somewhere around here or thereabout. Okay, so extrapolation is saying that the prospect of 61.85, 68.69 possible. Possible, yeah. Going by what has happened already, yeah, 68.69. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. Projections are saying 68.69 as well. Yeah, we have a downward projection of 2.25. 5 minute chart, let's see what we have. 2.25 as well, downward projection. Okay, I think our best bet is the 1 and 2 minute charts. 1 hour chart, let's see what we have. 2.32 downward projection. Contraction is expected to happen naturally. That's natural. It's not out of place to expect that to be the case. Okay, so I mean, I don't really expect some of these long hourly charts, some of these hourly charts to project really ambitious projections. Our best bet was, or usually is the minute charts, the single minute charts, and we have even higher projections. Yeah, 55.9. Let's see whether we can see what's going on as well. Yeah, I think we might be able to see what's going on. So $46 is where we are. Let's see. Memory is low. Let's close it, and try and open again. Yeah, let's see how many shares have crossed the tape so far. The stock went from 2.15 to where it is right now, so it has more than 20x. Yeah, more than 20x. So far, we're not able to get a volume here. Let's see what would it. Yeah, 10.24 million. It could even be more. 10 point. I think it's more than that. I think it's only in the last 4 hours it's 10.10 million. It could be before that, the previous 4 hours it may have been more. There might have been as maybe as much, or if not even more. Okay, let's see. 43. It's pulling back. 43.22. Let's come down and see where it is. 44.80 has escaped again. So active, we can't get a grip. Wow, my goodness. Yeah, we can see what's going on. Let's see, 47. Okay, that's where we are. 47.17. Okay, that's where it is. 47.46. 47.41. Yeah. 46.80. So volatile. I mean, we see prices going on here, even at higher prices. People are saying selling at the orders. Are those orders going through at higher prices? Yeah, look at that. 40 some. Well, yeah. I mean, you can evidently see 47.12. There's 47.08. Yeah, okay. That one went through and then you know, affected the price. 48.11. 47 points. This is going to 47.09. Has it changed? No, it didn't change it. 47.50. And this the market hasn't even opened yet. 46.53. 46.74. Highly volatile. Highly volatile. Highly I'm sorry, aggression is very high. Very high aggression. Liquidity not good. You can see that. See the tiny volumes going through. Very tiny volumes. A decent amount of ones going through. Yeah. And it also indicates if you see one shares or these tiny figures going through, it also tells you that the people who are in it are not they don't want to get burnt. They're not risking much. They're not risking much, and they just use market orders, and then they're forcing off the stock. But some are equally brave enough, and they're buying regardless. Yeah, the fact we are seeing single digits orders going through indicates that a lot of players here are not, obviously it's just a game for them. This is not to say that it's they shouldn't get involved, or that if it is game for them, it is illegal or wrong. So it's I think it's not that liquid as such, and when it's not liquid, it's usually because of aggression. Yeah. Okay, so see what you make of CWD, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.